Hello, my viewers. Thank you so much for choosing my channel. Thank you for your support. And for those who are new, please feel welcome. Join the family. Please view this video, share, like, and subscribe. And for those who have also subscribed, I've never pressed onto the notification bell. Please press onto that notification bell for incoming videos. So guys, today I'm back with this video and I want to make some hot dogs. So hot dogs, just not just hot dog. We also have Kenyan unique hot dogs. So I'm going to make them in two. I'll make the normally hot dog and the Kenyan hot dog. So view this video until the end and to know why Kenyan hot dogs are unique. There's a slight difference with Kenyans. For their hot dogs to be complete, there is an ingredient that it has to have. So keep watching, keep tuned, and share. These are the bread that I'm going to use, the buns that I'm going to use. I have 6 of them here. So these ones I just bought them from the market, but you can as well make it. If you've decided to make it at home, you can as well bake this kind of bread. So I have 6 buns here. I also have some sausages. I have about 8 sausages here, and they are for chicken. They are not really beef, they are chicken. I love chicken, guys, so much. On top of that, I have my red onions here, which are sliced. I have the soy sauce. I have tomato ketchup. I have the mustard, yellow mustard. I have your mayonnaise and hot chili, just in case. It's optional, just in case you love that. And the Kenyan kachumbari. This Kenyan kachumbari is what makes Kenyan hot dog unique. So Kenyan hot dogs will never be complete without kachumbari. So guys, keep tuned and watch this video until the end as we go. The sausages, you can use the sausages of your own choice. And so guys, I'm starting with my Destiny pan. I love this pan so much, guys. I hope you have it at home. Don't let your kitchen stay without this. It helps in so many different ways. So I'll just open it and let it heat first before I put some oil. Start by adding some vegetable oil. Make sure as they heat, you break them, and you're going to burn them, guys, until they get golden brown. Translucent. This is now the time now to add some little salt just to taste, just a pinch of salt. And dark soy sauce. onions are now okay. So we're just going to remove them. So we squeeze out the oil. So guys, these are my onions. I'll put it aside using the same oil, just for the sake of the aroma of the onions. I'll use this sausages in the same oil. So I'll keep turning them. As you see some of onions here, it's advisable, nice, because it had some flavor, the aroma of the flavor of the onions cooking together with the sausages. So at a low heat, make sure we cook. My are ready, my sausages are ready, guys. How do you tell whether they are ready? You can see this is just broken. This meat means that they are ready. So I'll just keep them aside. As my pan is still drying up, so I'm just going to cut this bread into two. It's advisable to use this bread knife. So the best thing to do is to toast. You can see, because this place is just too soft, it's advisable to toast them. So this is what I'm going to do. Now ready, so I'll just use still my Dicini to toast my bread. So you can turn. They don't really need to cook, but just to have that kind of toast. So at a low heat. So guys, from here now, I'm just going to assemble my hot dog. So I'll do 3, the normal hot dog, and 3, the unique Kenyan hot dog. So guys, keep tuned and see. Now, I'll just start by applying mayonnaise. Guys, this is mayonnaise. I'm just going to start by applying mayonnaise to my bread. And not so much of it, guys. Just a little bit of mayonnaise. Toasting this bread makes it a bit somehow crunchy, which makes you enjoy your hot dog. So I'm done with the mayonnaise, guys, now. So what I'm going to do next now is to add some my onions, my fried onions. Guys, please subscribe, watch this video, and please subscribe if at all you have not subscribed. And there you'll find also, you can also follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook page. So guys, just see how appetizing it looks. My hot dog is gonna be so tasty, 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 tasty. So next, guys, I'm going to have my sausage. Yes. You put it exactly at the middle, because of course my buns are a bit small and my sausages have swollen and now they're looking big. So if they're commercial, you must have a clean paper ready, or if you're going out with them for picnic, you need to have the clean paper ready so that you can always wrap them, especially when they're still warm. So since we are just going to have this immediately, there's no need of wrapping them, so I'll just use them. So guys, now I'm just going to use my hands now to fold it. So this is the hot dog now. I'll start by adding in tomatoes. Depends on the tomatoes you have to use. You can either use ketchup. I'll start with the tomato ketchup. You do the same. If you are taking chili is optional. So I'll just have one with chili, but this is optional. This is now my hot dog. So this is the normal hot dog. So this is how we make hot dog, guys. Please view this video, share, like. So I'm just the other three, I'm just going to show you how to go about it. That is the Kenyan unique hot dog. So keep tuned, guys. Here now I have the Kenyan unique hot dog. So what I'll do before you put the sausages, we are all going to add kachumbari. So kachumbari, guys, it's a mixture of onions sliced small. Guys, remember it has to be in this size. Small red onion sliced, mixed with some small sliced tomatoes and coriander. So this is how we go about it. Then after that is when you put your sausages, you add your tomato ketchup, tomato, then you add in your mustard, as usual, then chili if you so wish. So This is the difference between the other one. So I'll continue with the other three. So keep tuned, guys. Kachumbari. Kenyans love kachumbari. If you're not a Kenyan, wherever you're watching from, please just try this kind of hot dog. You'll find the uniqueness in it. The kachumbari gives it more flavor. Another tip is also that you can as well cut the sausages into two, only if you so wish. But if you want to have the whole of it, so guys. So guys, this is now the unique Kenyan hot dog that is with an additional flavor of kachumbari. These are the two types of hot dog. So this is the Kenyan hot dog with kachumbari added to it. You can see, guys. And this is the normal hot dog. Guys, so tasty. Please try this for yourself. And if you're going for a picnic, please wrap them with a cling film paper. So thank you for watching this video. Till then, let's meet on another video. Bye bye. Welcome.